Welcome back to the mix, and making to the mix this morning is Marcia as she went out on a date. Yes, Marcia had a date night. On this date, she said she went with a white lawyer, and she was excited about this date. So stay tuned. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Watch the video.
If you did a date, yes. So me always go out by myself, but tonight it's with a white man. Yes. That's right. Yes, a white lawyer. Yes, that's who I'm going out with. A white lawyer. Yes. Not a doctor, a lawyer. We sure will be having some discussion tonight about certain things. I tell you. Lady, lady. So that's where I'm heading. Yes. You know, I wasn't gonna go nowhere. And he called me, was like, are you coming? I make him bother wait. I wasn't going away now. I say, what the heck? Come even make me dinner. I said, me not going away. But the man is there waiting. I was like, okay. I go. No problem.
Go past this light. Then at the next one, turn left.
You can't do hurt to sit down and have dinner with somebody. No problem. You can't hurt to sit down and have dinner with somebody.
At the light, turn left onto South Quaker Lane.
One or two striking nosy. One or two nosy. One or two nosy. Boy on the nosy, sir.
In 2.2 miles, turn right onto Newbridge Avenue.
Me tell you, say already, say. I'm not going to be single for 2022. Me can't tell you that. 2022 now catch me single. At 10 years me single. And 2022 now catch me single. You understand? So anybody wants to sit in the house and don't look or even look at other nationality. If you black man them no want you, or them a disrespect you, or them not call to you, find one different race we call to you. It's just simple as that. Yeah, it's just simple as that. Yeah. If you have your hi people, hi. Yeah. Hi. Yeah man, if you don't sit down, life is too short. You understand? Because at the end of the day, we all human beings. We all live the same type of life, except for the skin color, nothing different. God make us all, so no matter. Anybody will treat me right and respect me in certain way, them me I go for. I don't care about no color. In my signature blue wig, I eat him love. I think see me and call me and say I'm like it. I'm in love with how me look, this and that. That's what attract me to him and everything else. so that is what we will wear. Yes, man. My signature blue wig is in the house. Yeah, man. It's kind of like a chilly, you know. It's kind of a little chilly. Me not let nobody ruin my happiness. Me tell us that this area, me I take back everything where they stole from me. Me I tell you, not this area. Trample all demons. I tell you, that's right. So you can't stay there. They say one of dead no dash you away. I'm not dead yet, so you can't dash me away. No matter how they fight against me out there, I'm not dead yet, you can't dash me away. He said, prior day, keep the devil away. And me and people are praying for me left, right, and center. So tell the enemy to keep it coming. Keep the bashing. Keep the ridiculed. Keep the mischievous. Keep it coming. Yeah, man. Keep the laughter coming. Keep it coming.
In 1 mile, turn